non-uniform factors. Okay, it sounds very complex, but it isn't, I can tell you. So let's open Grasshopper, and then we're gonna make just a very simple object like a center box. Okay, let's give the information 2. There we go, and then we can make a box. Okay, and there we go. Now we use the tool, as I told you, the object with non-uniform factors. So we're gonna scale this tool called ScaleNU. Voila, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna plug in the geometry. Okay, we can turn this off. We can disable it. Okay, doesn't look very great. We can disable this as well. So let's take geometry. So in a way, this tool is used that you put in a geometry, okay, and then you can scale it in all different directions. You can scale in X direction, in Y and Z direction, okay, and out of this tool, the geometry, the scale geometry comes, okay. So let's plug this in and disable this as well. There we go. Pretty, huh? Okay, cool. So now we can say, we also can use number sliders and say in which direction it should go. There we go. We have this first number slider, second number slider. And here we go. We have the simple box. Okay, and it's scaled by 10 in every direction, in the X, Y, and Z direction. But we can also change those different kind of directions. Okay, so the box is not a very special tool. You could do this as well just with the center box with this tool. But if we have another geometry, okay, I'm gonna show you another geometry. So let's go down to 1, 1, and 1. Okay, and probably let's use the geometry sphere. Okay, it's also a great tool to use. Okay, disable it. It looks a bit better. Okay, then plug it in here. Okay, so we just have, voila, here the sphere. Okay, and now we can also scale it in every kind of direction. Okay, and that's gonna, well, you can see it here very nicely, but now you can see that nicely. You can scale the sphere in every direction. Okay, so you can make very cool shapes and nice forms just with this simple tool. And if you think, okay, I'm fine with that, just go to the geometry, make a right click and bake it. Yeah, voila. And then disable it. And you have the form in right now. Perfect. That was the little tutorial of scaling an object with non-uniform factors. Hopefully you can use it as well, and see you next time.